There's nothing like the bond you share with your pet. Loyal friends and trusted companions, pets give so much unconditional love, it's hard to want anything but the very best for them. Bil-Jac foods are American-made. Since 1947, when brothers Bill and Jack Kelly started the company, Bil-Jac's only business has been pet foods and pet treats, so 100% of the company's attention goes to making them as good as can be. The Kellys actively own and operate the family business. Having seen the difference the right food can make, the Kellys believe the best foods are made with much more fresh meat, which is slow cooked to help preserve essential nutrients and be easy to digest. After you've fed Bil-Jac for a few weeks, Bil-Jac believes your dog will experience increased desire to eat when it's time, greater satisfaction after the completion of a meal, a drastic improvement in your dog's skin, coat, and muscle tone, smaller, firmer stools, and an improvement in the overall health and vitality of your dog in a way you can actually see. When we eat right, we feel better. The same is true for your dog. Bil-Jac truly is a different type of dog food. As you can imagine, dogs naturally love chicken. Bil-Jac starts with more real, fresh chicken. So much fresh chicken that unlike other dog foods, Bil-Jac actually tells you how much real chicken is used. For example, 5 pounds of fresh chicken are used to make a 6-pound bag of Bil-Jac dog food. Why can Bil-Jac use so much fresh chicken? Their unique manufacturing process makes this possible. Bil-Jac is slow cooked in small, separate batches. This allows the chicken to cook at controlled temperatures, which helps protect the heat-sensitive nutrients and brings out the great chicken taste. You can even see the difference between Bil-Jac and any other brand. When placed in water, Bil-Jac breaks down instead of expanding and floating. And that grease you feel on the outside of other kibble and see floating on the water, it's sprayed-on rendered fat, which is used to try to make their food taste better. Bil-Jac has the natural taste of chicken dogs love, so they don't coat their food with rendered fat or digest. It's simple. Dogs prefer the delectable taste of Bil-Jac because of the freshness of the chicken, the amount of chicken used to make each kibble, and the slow cook process. Bil-Jac doesn't use any fillers or gluten meals either. Each of the select ingredients is carefully chosen and is quality controlled throughout this process. How do we know dogs love the taste? The Bil-Jac 2-Bowl Taste Test Challenge. Simply place a small amount of Bil-Jac next to a small amount of any other brand. When given a choice, the slow cooking and use of so much fresh chicken makes Bil-Jac a winner for even the most finicky eaters. Bil-Jac is also great for sensitive dogs. It isn't necessarily an ingredient that causes sensitive reactions. How ingredients are processed can be even more important. In fact, dogs may react completely differently to the same ingredient depending on how it's prepared. Just like baked chicken is more nutritious than fried chicken for you and me, ingredients that are carefully cooked at the right temperature retain more of their natural nutrients than ingredients cooked at very high temperatures. Bil-Jac's small batch process may cost a little more, but it produces a higher quality product dogs need to thrive. Don't forget Bil-Jac's soft and moist treats. Bil-Jac treats are a favorite of celebrity dogs you see at the movies. The stars of Marley and Me, 101 Dalmatians, Marmaduke, Beverly Hills Chihuahua, 8 Below, and Eddie from TV's Frasier, to name just a few, all work for Bil-Jac's dog treats and thrive on Bil-Jac dry dog food. Successful Hollywood trainers feed and reward with Bil-Jac because their dogs have to look and feel good and be ready to work every day. At Bil-Jac, our passion is in helping dogs achieve their optimal health. We're improving the quality of their lives from the inside out. So whether you're a dog owner, breeder, trainer, or just a good old dog lover, try Bil-Jac today and see for yourself and for your dog why different is so much better. You will see a difference when you feed Bil-Jac. That's the Kelly family promise since 1947.